About that first practice under the new staff and head coach Butch Jones.
I feel like it was a really great time to go out there and just do our first practice with the new coaching staff and really get to see what their expectations are and what they expect of us on the practice field.
How different was it, do you think, as opposed to what you experienced the last few years?
It's just a different setup, how the periods are set up, but it's still like they still want the same intensity, they still want you moving very fast.
You know, Coach Jones was talking about that up-tempo and toughness and speed. I guess you saw all that today, huh?
Yeah, we really felt that the coaches really wanted the tempo up and they wanted the transition very fast and smooth.
Not just on the offense, but as far as the whole team goes. That offensive line unit is the strength of this team. Talk about that and the leadership that you guys are taking, not just in the spring camp, but beyond.
I feel like the offensive line, we've all been here, we've all been together, and I feel like we're using that to help try to lead the whole team and just try to keep the unit cohesive, especially on offense, try to bring everybody together and feel like if we play together and we just follow everybody's lead, we'll be able to do some good things on offense.
You know, James, what's a little different from the past couple of years, you've had a quarterback in Tyler Bray. Now there's a true competition going on out there. How do you see that playing out in the spring and beyond going in the fall?
I feel like that's probably going to go all the way in the fall because we got two great guys back there catching the snap, and I feel like they're going to compete and it's going to be a real healthy competition going through the spring and then training camp.
What about yourself, individually, some of the goals that you set for yourself going into spring?
I feel like me, I just want to work on my body control and my speed, my quickness, and especially when I'm finishing on the second level.
Thanks, man.
Thanks.